Hello, beautiful people. This is Dan.
And this is Jenny.
So today we are taking you to Migori, a very memorable trip because we are giving Mama a surprise visit.
Yes.
But before we go there, we are passing by Kisumu at Carrefour.
Yeah.
We are going to pick some ingredients for cooking what?
Pilau.
Yes, so we are going to cook pilau at home, and this is going to be a big surprise for Mama.
I just hope Mama will love the pilau.
I hope so too. So guys, this is gonna be a very beautiful trip, and keep on watching, and remember it is a surprise visit for Mama. Yeah?
Yes, babe.
So let's give it up. Let's do it.
And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Click that like button to show us some love.
Yeah, give us thumbs up. Yeah.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So babe, this road looks so nice at night. It is well marked, and I like the reflectors. I am cruising.
Oh no. Like you always cruise, boo.
Yeah.
But you're a good driver.
You
You're better than me.
You say I do what? One what? No, please don't say it.
What?
Don't say it. I'm just cruising on the normal levels.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything extraordinary.
But you know, this is a night trip. We're also rushing to get to where we are going. We left quite late, but then it's beautiful. I really love it.
All right.
Yeah.
So let's see what we get in front.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Finally, we are at our destination.
Treat House Resort.
This is it, boo. Let's find out what they have for us.
Definitely, boo.
Okay, let's find out.
You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how.
So, boo, let's have some breakfast
Yeah.
before we leave this place, because remember, today is the day that we're going to see Mama.
Yay.
It's a
I'm
surprise.
so excited. I'm so
Okay.
excited. Yeah.
So let's grab what we see here.
I can't wait to get home.
But what are you gonna have this morning? There's eggs, there's mandazi, there's sausages, there's
The
ham,
viazi.
and then there's
The
viazi.
potatoes, yeah?
Yeah.
And some eggs and some mandazi and tea, of course.
So for me as a vegetarian, I'm just gonna have rice and
A what?
a vegetarian
Okay.
and some tea.
Okay.
Yeah.
A vegetarian, you say?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna
So guys, can you see this hair? See how I'm rocking this hair? Bubu got me some new hair, so thank you, baby. I loved it. He actually surprised me this evening as we were driving to go see Mama. So look at how nice this hair is. So if you want to get plugged, please go down in the comment section. He got this hair for me from Kisumu. So if you want to get plugged, comment down below. Just check it out. It's lovely.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So we told Mama that today we are cooking pilau,
Yeah.
and she doesn't have to step in the kitchen. But you know how Mama is. She's always gonna be everywhere.
It's really hard for her not to be in her kitchen. But then,
yeah.
for this single day, she really had to be out of the kitchen.
But remember, guys, she was all over the place at times, just trying to pop in to know what was going on. So we started by asking her if we can get one chicken.
Yeah.
And to prep for the pilau.
Yeah.
Okay. So keep watching, guys. See how this day went.
See how I am a wife material. Just see.
You know what? Mama will always be in her kitchen. See what she's doing. She's like, she has to skin this chicken and just cut it into pieces.
Herself. She actually told me and wanted to come and do it, so I had to allow her.
And guys, she's so experienced in doing this, so
Actually, I don't do it this way myself. Yeah.
yeah.
This
so,
is different, but it's nice.
So while Mama is just participating in trying to help us make this pilau then.
And I loved that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
So for this pilau, we're using boneless chicken. So we remove the meat from the bones, and after boiling, of course. And then for the pilau, we start by adding onions, and then you fry that. Then you add the garlic ginger paste, and then you add some pilau masala mix. Then you want to also go in with some carrots and green peas. Now this part is optional, but I do love my pilau with green peas and some carrots. And then I went in with tomato paste, and then added my special ingredient, which is what, babe? You can tell us more about this.
Thailand coconut cream.
I doubted this coconut cream for the first time, but you kept on insisting.
I told you coconut originally came from Thailand.
Yes, you did.
So these guys have the best cream.
And when I used it, it's really nice.
So you said you're gonna pick some when you're going back to Kisumu?
Definitely, boo.
Alright.
This is it.
So remember the name, DCM, Thailand coconut cream.
Yes.
We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid and you know it's nothing wrong.
I tried knocking on the front door, like trying to surprise Mama.
Yeah.
She wasn't there. So Boo Boo went on the back side of the house.
Yeah.
And guess what?
I found Mama washing her clothes, and she was so surprised to see me. She
Yeah.
gave me a very warm hug.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that was amazing, right?
It was.
Okay. Yeah. She didn't expect us.
She was really surprised too.
Because the only thing she knew was that one day we were going to visit within the month, but
Yeah.
this was the day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up
Yeah, so finally,
Finally, our pilau is ready.
looks so yummy.
Look at this.
I want to have a taste.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah.
It looks so yummy. Just see.
So guys, if you want to learn more about how to do this, comment down below.
Yeah, comment for the recipe.
Yes.
I know Mama will love this.
Yeah, she will love this for sure. And trust me, Mama is really picky when she's taking food.
Yeah.
I'm sure she's gonna love this for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So thanks guys for your support. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And keep watching more of our videos.
Please don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Yeah, I mean, if you really want to see more videos, tell us what you'd like to watch, and we'll do that exactly for you.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye bye. Peace out.
Fake to me.